Do you know that you can use your early morning urine to attract favor, to attract love, to attract everything that you have been praying for? Yes, to attract your desires. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the power of using your early morning urine. Early morning urine has so many special benefits, and some people keep it as secret. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the special benefits of early morning urine and how you can make use of it. Early morning urine has so many special benefits for mankind, and it works for those who believe in it and have faith on it and know how to use it. And that is why I'm here to share with you everything. So guys, if it's your first time to come across my face, thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie and you are watching the Golden Bosom channel. I'm your special guide for today. Yes, so as you can see, I'm going to review the powers of using your early morning urine so that you store it for the next use. But before doing this, kindly subscribe to the Golden Bosom channel and share this video with your friends and family and tell them the power of using your early morning urine. And when I talk about the early morning urine, I mean the urine from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. That urine is always best to be used because it does not smell. I mean, that is a short period, okay? Yes, that is a short period, so you should make use of it and see wonders and see shocking results and see how amazing it is, how powerful it is, because it has so many special benefits. You can use early morning urine to attract favor and love from anyone. If you just want to receive favor from people around you or from people wherever you go, all you have to do is to add your early morning urine into the water and bath your face 7 times as you are saying your intention. Trust me, you will see favor everywhere you go because early morning urine is very powerful. It's nothing to joke about. And if you want to attract favor from a specific person, all you have to do is to mention their name as you are washing your face with your early morning urine mixed with water, and trust me, you will receive favor from those people. However much hungry they are, you will start receiving favor from them. If you want to boost your business, you have a business but you're not seeing customers, you have a business but it's not operating well, use your early morning urine and you will see customers flowing to your business. All you have to do is to get your early morning urine, add a little bit in your bath water, apply in your face a little bit, and then sprinkle around your compound, around your business, in front of your business. And trust me, customers will come running, customers will come flowing, and they will come in large number because early morning urine is very, very powerful. It's more than magic, and you don't have to fear because this is urine from your body. It is very powerful and it was blessed. That is why so many people keep their early morning urine. You don't know what they use it for. They use it for spiritual benefits like this one. You can decide to add it to your kids' bath water and there is no one who will ever hurt them. And if they do, they will always come to bow and ask forgiveness. Yes, early morning urine will drive away evil eye. It will drive away evil spirits from your kids in case you add it into their bath water. And all you have to do is to use also their early morning urine, not your early morning urine. And you can use it to wash it with your face. Yes, very early in the morning to open doors, to open blessings for you and drive away bad luck. That is what you are going to do very early in the morning. And you can just add a little bit into your water and wash your face early in the morning before heading anywhere so that you begin with a blessed morning. You can use it to drive away bad luck and open a blessings to yourself just by adding a little bit to your bath water and wash with your face. And do this before talking to anyone. Trust me, you will see the magic in it. And also use your early morning urine to bring peace between you and your partner. Early morning urine is very is just to get a little bit and add into your mopping water, the water that you use to mop your house. Yes, and then mop it will bring peace between you and your husband. So for those of people who have like shaking relationship, shaking marriage, just mop with it and you will see peace flowing. You see love. You will receive everything that you asked for. Even when you don't ask, you will receive immediately, because the power in early morning urine is unbelievable. Trust me. Try it and you will not regret. You can also use your early morning urine to stop any spiritual disease, any spiritual attacks. I mean, people always have a tendency of banging their heads on the window, banging their heads on the floor, fighting and shouting. Like, people always receive demons on their head. All you have to do is to get early morning urine, mix in your bath water, add salt, and then they sprinkle all over your body as they are praying. And trust me, the demons will run away from you. They will run and they will never come back, because early morning urine is also a medicine. It also helps to nourish your skin. So please make use of it. So guys, that is how you are going to make use of your early morning urine. It is very, very powerful. You can use it to break curses. You can use it to break generation curses, just by putting a little bit and then wash your face as you are praying, saying all your intentions. Yes, trust me, it is very, very powerful. Do not ever joke with it. Those are some of the benefits of using your early morning urine, and trust me, you'll see how powerful it is. So thank you so much for watching. If you feel this video was helpful, kindly share it with your friends and tell them the spiritual benefits of early morning urine, or the spiritual benefits of using it, so they can try it out and see amazing and see the powers of using it. Okay, because they have been missing out for so many years, and once the secret is out, it is out. Also, I do not request money from anyone. Please do not get scammed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the Golden Bosom channel, and if you want to support this channel, you can drop me a super thanks. See you in my next video. Bye.